God is never out of options. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa bawat isa. Ako si Pastor Wes at ito ang Magkape. Kapag naubusan ka ng pera, iniisip mo, ano na ang gagawin ko? Kapag hindi tuloy ang plano, aba naman, parang wala ka ng plan B, di ba? Kapag lahat ng doors parang sarado, madaling isipin, wala na akong option. Pero tandaan, you may be out of options, but God is never out of options. Yan yung devotion namin kanina sa Magkape. Nasa 1 Samuel chapter 23 na po kami. At alam niyo po, sa verse 26 ng 1 Samuel chapter 23, halos mahuli na si David ni Saul. Nasa magkabilang side na kasi sila noon. At palapit ng palapit ng mga tauhan ni King Saul. From David's perspective, parang wala nang way out. Pero suddenly, may dumating na messenger ni Saul. At makita natin doon sa verse 27 na sinabi niya, yung mga Philistine, inaatake na ho tayo. Kaya sila po ay lumipat at umalis doon sa lugar na kung saan nandun si David. Hindi planned ni David yon, pero plano yon ng Panginoon. Gumawa siya ng way out para hindi mahuli si David. Alam niyo po sa verse 14 ng 1 Samuel chapter 23, sinabi doon, Saul sought him every day, but God did not give him into his hand. Ang ibig sabihin, ang Panginoon ang may author na siya ay hindi madakip at gumawa ng way out sa problema ni David. Hindi itinuturo dito na every time we're in trouble, God will always give us the escape we want. David himself would continue facing difficulties. Ang point ay ganito, God remains sovereign even when we cannot see what He is doing. Kasi sa Romans chapter 8 verse 28, God works all things together for good for those who love Him and are called according to His purpose. Alam niyo po yung synergeo na Greek na ginamit dito ay work together. Hindi sinabing everything is good. Rather, God can work even through difficult circumstances to accomplish His good purpose. Tandaan niyo po ito. Kapag hindi mo na alam ang next step, don't assume that God has stopped working. Gagawin mo, pray, seek His wisdom, keep doing what is right. You may not know what God will do next, but you can trust the God who sees the whole picture. God is never out of options. Kung may kakilala kang nagtatanong, how to get to heaven, meron po akong link yan sa description. I-copy mo yon at isend sa kanya. Again, ako si Pastor Wes na laging nagsasabing, be an inspiration at solution po. Ingat po kayo. God bless everyone. Bye.